What features are included in Asana's basic plan? You're about to find out what you get with Asana's free plan and whether it's enough for your team's needs. Stick around because you'll want to know if it has the essential tools to boost your productivity without spending a penny. You can use Asana for free with the exclusive bonuses linked below, so don't miss out. First, Asana's basic plan offers a task management system that is simple but effective. You can create tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, and add any necessary attachments. It's a great way to keep track of individual work and make sure things don't slip through the cracks. Next, it includes a project view. You can organize tasks into different projects and track progress using lists, boards, and calendar views. It's easy to switch between views, giving you flexibility depending on how you like to work. The calendar view is a standout feature for managing deadlines. You can see all of your tasks laid out by their due date in a calendar, helping you to visualize your project timeline and avoid last-minute surprises. It makes planning and prioritizing a lot easier, especially when you're working on multiple projects. The third thing worth mentioning is collaboration features. With Asana's basic plan, you can comment on tasks, tag teammates, and even mention them directly in comments to notify them about updates or questions. This makes communication smooth, and you won't need to switch between different apps or emails to keep everything in sync. Next, Asana's basic plan also comes with search and reporting tools. While it's not as advanced as in the paid plans, you can still search across tasks and projects, making it easier to find information without having to manually sift through everything. The fifth thing is limited integrations. You get access to some third-party apps like Google Drive, Slack, and Dropbox, but it's limited compared to what's available on the paid versions. Still, it's a good start for small teams who want to connect their work to other tools they're already using. Next, Asana's basic plan also includes basic automation. You can create simple rules, like automatically assigning tasks when they're created or moving them when marked as complete. This can save a bit of time, but the more advanced workflows are locked behind the premium plan. Lastly, the user limit is another factor to keep in mind. The basic plan supports teams of up to 15 users, making it ideal for smaller teams or solo entrepreneurs. Larger teams may need to upgrade to unlock more user seats and additional features. Before we wrap up, don't forget that you can access Asana for free through the link below and get exclusive bonuses that will make your experience even better. So, to summarize, the basic plan includes task management, project views, calendar, collaboration tools, search and reporting, integrations, and basic automation, all for free, with the limit of 15 users. If you need more features or a larger team, the paid plans might be worth considering. But for many users, the free version of Asana is a solid option. Remember, the link in the description gives you access to the software and exclusive bonuses, so check it out now and start streamlining your projects today.